Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith and this is your JIS News for Monday, January 5. The National Blood Transfusion Service, popularly called the Blood Bank, has received a mobile collection unit to boost its operations. The mobile unit, donated by the Angel Foundation in the United Kingdom, was handed over to Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson on Friday.
The mobile blood collection unit will no doubt strengthen the work of the National Blood Transfusion Service in increasing the number of voluntary non-remunerated donors who remain the safe source of blood worldwide.
In the meantime, the Health Minister says government plans to continue to place special emphasis on non-communicable and communicable diseases. Work continues to prepare the country for any case of the Ebola virus. The Ebola Treatment Centre at the National Chest Hospital in St Andrew is now up and running, while the other centre at Cornwall Regional Hospital should be ready by the end of January.
We remain vigilant with regards to the threat of Ebola. We are not daunted, as we are committed in finding creative and innovative ways to overcome our challenges.
The Jamaica Customs Agency has been meeting with members of the Jamaican diaspora to explain the new procedures and requirements under the Charities Act. So far, Customs has met with Jamaicans living in sections of the United States, the United Kingdom and Canada. The Charities Act, which was passed in Parliament in 2013, regulates all charitable bodies operating in Jamaica. Charities must be registered and have a tax compliance certificate in order to be exempt from customs duties. Jamaica is now head of the International Network for Bamboo and Rattan, INBAR, positioning the country to further develop the local industry and increase the earnings of growers and exporters. INBAR is an intergovernmental organization of countries that have bamboo and rattan resources in quantities that can be commercialized. Chairman of the Bureau of Standards, Professor Winston Davidson, said the INBAR Council selected Jamaica to chair the organization at its recent meeting in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. He added that the appointment would help Jamaica to establish the country as a major player in the standardization of bamboo products.
With information from INBAR, this international body, we are developing a new standards-led, market-driven bamboo industry. Jamaica has to recognize, especially entrepreneurs, micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises, that standards-driven, standards-led, market-driven industries are what will integrate Jamaica with the global marketplace, and which will drive the economy to make it be able to be sustainable.
The BSJ chairman says his agency has begun discussions with several potential investors and stakeholders towards developing the standards to better regulate the local bamboo industry. The Area 3 Police Division, comprising stations in Clarendon, Manchester and St Elizabeth, will begin a test run of electronic station diaries and registers in the first quarter of this year. The E-Diaries and E-Registers, which will contain critical information on how the police execute their duties, are part of a plan to use more technology to help fight crime.
We want to move from some of the old-time registers, these station diaries, these big books that people fold and crease, and move into really the 21st century in terms of e-station diaries and e-registers.
Minister Bunting was speaking on JIS TV's Issues and Answers program. And finally, the Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, is reminding students and senior citizens that they need their own cards to get concessionary rates on JUTC buses. Effective today, passengers who pay concession fares will no longer be allowed to pay for another passenger. JUTC Smarter cards are available at the Halfway Tree Transport Centre, Spanish Town Bus Park, East Parade in downtown Kingston and Portmore Pines Plaza in St Catherine. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.